There are a variety of ways that you can view your document. On the status bar that resides at the bottom of your screen, there are 5 view buttons. The first of those 5 has an orange rim around it. This is indicating you're currently in print layout, and at this stage in your learning, this is where you should stay. Print layout is the best view to work in because what you see is what will print. But what happens sometimes is we slip into other views, either by hitting these buttons or by going to the View tab in the ribbon. If I click the View tab in the ribbon, these buttons also appear up in the ribbon. For example, if I went out of Print Layout view and went into Full Screen Reading view, the document would take up a lot more of my screen. I would lose the ribbon, and instead of having pages, I'd be able to move using this button here. I'd be able to go to the next page, and move through my document and be able to easily read it, hence the name Full Screen Reading. To get out of the Full Screen Reading view, you no longer have the status bar and you no longer have those 5 buttons. But in the top right corner, you have a Close button, and this will close the Full Screen Reading view. Another view that you can accidentally or otherwise click is the Web Layout button. If you click this button, you will see your document as if it was published to a website, which means it takes up the entire screen and no longer abides by the rules of an A4 piece of paper. Another view is Outline view. When I click this button, my document looks quite different. I no longer have my rulers, and I don't have a very good impression of what the document would look like if it was printed. And these are not bullets, so you can spend an awful lot of time trying to remove what you think are bullets. Outline view is something we do in the stage 3. For now, I'd actually go back to view in the ribbon, and I'd go back to print layout. The final view is draft view. Draft view is very good if you've got a very large document and you need to scroll through it quickly. But again, we lose the vertical ruler, and we also lose the 3D impression of our document. Instead of seeing a 3D impression of a page break, you now have a dotted line that represents a page break. This view is useful when we get into the more advanced features in Word, but for now I would say stay in the print layout view. Then what you see is what will print.